Okay, now let's talk about this classwork number 5, which is about the revolve skill. So what is the revolve? Okay, if I have, for example, I want to draw like, for example, this shape or this glass. For example, suppose you have a glass. Okay, let me make it like a glass now. Okay. 2 millimeters. Okay, check. Okay, how can I make like this glass using the SolidWorks? Very simple. You have to use something called a revolve. Where is the revolve? This is a revolve. Okay, you have to draw a center line. Okay, let me give you an example. Okay, to draw this, you have to draw a center line, then you draw just the right side, then make this profile revolve 360 degree around itself, so it makes this shape. Okay, we'll do it again. So the revolve is very simple. I'll do it very easy. Now suppose I'm going to go to the part. Okay, so it's like the mirror, but it's not mirror, it's rounded around itself 360 degree. So front, normal 2, sketch again, then I'm gonna draw a center line in the middle. Okay, make it vertical, then I'll draw just the right side. Okay, smart dimension, I'm gonna make this, for example, 30. Check. Okay, then I'm gonna draw this one 50. Check. Then I'm gonna make this center line, or the length between this line and this line is let's make it 100. Okay, so 100. Check. So as you can see that we draw just the right side of okay, we call this profile. So I want to make this profile revolve, which means that I make it rounded about itself 360 degree. So it's not it's about up to here, it's like mirror, but when we click on revolve, he asks you to make this center line, this profile around this center line. Click OK. Yes. Okay, so this profile is rounded 360 degree around itself. You can make it, for example, 180 if you want it, not a cup. It's just like a half cylinder, for example. Okay, you can make it 270 degree. Okay, you can make it so, but because I want it to be rounded, so I'll make it 360 degree. Okay, check. Check again. Okay, now he made from this profile, he revolve it, make it rounded about itself 360 degree. Now how can I make it empty from inside? Okay, we have another skill, which is shell. So we make this cup just a shell. So first of all, you have to click on the surface, upper surface. Okay, then click on shell and make this shell as you want. For example, maybe 5 millimeter thickness, 2 millimeter thickness. Okay, check. Check again. As you can see, he made a cup okay, with thickness of 5 millimeters, so it's empty from inside. So using shell makes this cylinder like a cup, okay. So how about if I want to make a shell? Before I did make shell, if I clicked on this surface and press and control, and I clicked also on this surface, then I made shell. So what do you think is going to happen now? It will be like a cone. So it's just a cone, okay. If you click on the surface up and the down surface, you will get a cone. It's not cone. It's not cup anymore. So if you wanted to make it like a cup, okay, you have to make a surface. Just click on the surface. So this is the revolve, and how can I use the revolve? It's very simple. Just you need to make a center line, then you have to draw the right, okay, the right shape, okay. Then make this profile rounded about itself 360 degree using the revolve, okay. Now let's go to the so we have many things can use. For example, we can make this screw using this revolve. Just I need to draw the upper side, and I draw this center line in the middle, and just I need to draw the upper side, and it revolves about itself 360 degree. Many things, for example, like some jars, some water bottles, okay, we can use the revolve. And you can see here that there is a shell, okay, with 4 millimeter thickness of this shell, okay. So it's empty from inside, okay. The revolve, for example, the tables, some rounded tables, some glasses like these, okay, you can use it through using, just draw the right profile, then revolve it 360 degree, and it gives you the same glass like this one, okay. Many things that we can use to draw using this revolve. Some, for example, these bottles that we can put a flower inside like this. You need to draw the right side, then make it fully defined. Then you can make a shell of thickness of 8 millimeter. Okay, we'll do many some kinds of glasses like this, with a shell of thickness 4 millimeter, for example here, 2 millimeter, for example here, okay. Many kind of glasses, okay, we can make it using the revolve, okay. So how can we use it? Just click, you have to draw a center line, then you draw whatever you want in the right side or upper side, then revolve it 360 degree, okay. So let's go to question number 1. Question number 1, very easy. I need just to draw this center line, and I just need to draw this profile, okay, the inside profile, okay. So just I need to draw this area with this sloped line, okay, slanted line, okay. So let's do that together. New, okay. So first of all, I have to choose front, normal to sketch, activate the sketch. I'm gonna draw a center line, okay, center line, okay. I'll make it from the right to the left, okay. Okay, well, how much is the length of this? It's 100, 30 and 30, 60, 60 and 40, 100. So I'll make this length 100, Okay, then I'm gonna choose a solid line. I'm gonna draw this line, then up, then right, then up, then go back, down, left, down, left, down. Okay, so I'm gonna draw from this point, click, go right. Okay, I have to leave a space here, okay, for this line. So I'm gonna draw this line horizontal, then click, go up, click on right to this point, click, go up, click, left, click, down, click, left, click, down, click, left, then go down, then escape. Now, why should I draw these lines? No. Why? Because these lines are these arcs. If I see from this view from the front, I see it like a solid line, which is an arc. So we don't have to draw these lines, this one and this one and this one. I don't have to draw these lines because, as you can see, it's just like an arc. Okay, it's an edges. Okay, so after we make a revolve, these lines will appear to me. Okay, so don't draw these lines, this one and this one and this one. Just draw the upper side, the upper profile. Okay, now I have to make a dimension for this drawing. So smart dimension. So what is the length between this line and this line? Smart dimension. This line and this line. What is the dimension here? The dimension will be not 40. It's 20 to 0. Check. Because this is the full length. I just need the half length. Okay, 20. Then from this line to this line, it's 55. So 55 divided by 2, okay, 55 divided by 2, okay, it's 27.5. Okay, now from this line to this line, 70, well, divided by 2, which is 35. 5, check. Then I have from this line to this line to the center, this one would be 40. 40, check. Also I have from this line to this center, I'll make it 50. Okay. Now I have to give this length a dimension. This is 30. 30, check. Okay, also I'll give this a dimension, which is 40. 40, check. Okay, now what should I do to make this length fully defined? I have to give this a dimension between this point and this point. The length here is 20. So 20, check, which is this length. Okay, what should I have to make this drawing fully defined? What should I make to make this fully defined? If I just clicked on escape 3 times, then just drag this point right to the left. I just need to give him an information that this line is vertical, So click on this line and make it vertical. Still it's not fully defined. I have just to tell him that this point and this point and this point, what is the relation between these 3 points? Just I need to give him the relation between these 3 points, which is vertical. Check. Sometimes you have to do it here if sometimes it gives you like a blue line here, so just you need to click here and click here and make the relation between these 2 points vertical. So now our profile is fully defined. Should I draw this line? I said no. Again, no, because these are an edges. It will be appeared after making a revolve. Okay, so sorry for that. Now I have to make, after fully defined feature, make a revolve. Okay, as we have in this problem, should I make this profile revolve for this profile 360 degree, or should I make it 270? So it's not full, so I'll have to make it 270 degree. Okay, then check. Okay, as we can see, this is our profile, and we draw it 270 degree as we see in this problem. Okay, but if there is no cut, so I'll make it 360 degree. Okay, now if we go to the front, normal to, we can see this line, which is this line, and this line, if you go here, you can see that it's just the rounded edge. After we make a revolve, there is an edge, and this edge, if you go from the front, you'll see it a line, while if you just go through as a 3D model, you can see it as an arc. So these lines, okay, is the edges after revolve, so we don't have to draw these edges. Also this one, for example, if you go to the front, normal to, okay, you will see that there is a line here, which is this line. If you click on this line, for example, and you go, okay, you can see that this edge is a circle, has a circle shape. Okay, but if you go to the front, you can see it as a solid line. So these lines, we don't have to draw them, just I need to draw just the upper side. Okay, very simple. Okay, suppose that this problem wants you to make this revolve 360 degree, very easy. So click on the revolve here, right click, then edit feature, then I want to make it 360 degree, then click check, and now it's 360 degree. Okay, so it depends on the problem. Here in this problem, he wants you to make it 270 degree. Sometimes maybe he wants you to make it, for example, 180 degree. Okay, check. Okay, check again. Okay, for example, this is 180 degree. Okay, so do it again, 270. Click on the revolve, edit feature, then make this angle 270 degree as he wants in this problem. Okay, click again. Now please, I want you to redraw this question again, and I hope it's easy to you. Let's go to question number 2. The same thing, we have to draw this line, then I have to draw the upper side, then I'll make a revolve of 180 degree. Okay, Thank you very much. So please try to draw this question before you go to the next question, to the next video. Okay, thank you very much.